Hello, welcome to this practical lesson about managing PDF files in Python programming language. You must install the PyPDF2 library first using the pip package, exactly using this code here or this command. Pip install PyPDF2, then hit shift enter or run this cell to install it. In this case, I already installed it in my device, so once you type pip install pypdf2, you will see collecting pypdf2, then downloading pypdf2, and finally you will see successfully installed pypdf2. That's it. So make sure to install it first using the pip package. After that you can import it using the import statement. As we said previously, use the reserved keyword import or the import statement to import this library. Type import followed by the name of that library. In this case, the name of that library is pypdf2. And after this, you can install it. You can collect or you can use anything from this library or this package simply without any problem. Next, we are gonna create a PDF file object. We are gonna use the open function, the open built-in function, to open the PDF file with the mode RB to read this file, to read this PDF file in the same directory of this notebook. Let's see this. The most important function for files handling in Python programming language is the open built-in function. You need to call it only using the open statement or its name. You don't need to construct this function from the beginning. Type the name of the function, and in between the parentheses of that function put the first argument, which is the file name with its extension, like in this case intro.pdf. Don't forget to put the extension for this PDF file, and this PDF file in the same directory, in the same location of this notebook. And if you want to put it or read a PDF file from another directory, put the location before the file name. And after that, the second argument for the open function in that case is RB, the mode for reading this PDF file. This is about file object creation. We assign this open function to a variable to use this process using the variable name, to use this process of opening this file and reading it using or through this variable name called new PDF, and you can name it any valid name you wish. After that, we are gonna use the pypdf2 library, and we are gonna use a function from inside this library called PDF file reader to read this file called intro PDF. This is about PDF reader object also. Let's see this in action. After opening the PDF file and reading it, try to create another variable. In this case, we created another variable called reading PDF, and we assigned pypdf2.pdf file reader. This is a built-in function. We called it using its name and the dot notation between the pypdf2, the name of the module or the name of this library, and its function to access this function from this library. And also you can see the name of the variable new PDF in between the parentheses of the PDF file reader function. This is the argument for this function to read the PDF file called intro.pdf from the open function, from the parentheses of the open function that we assigned it to the new PDF variable. This is about PDF reader object. You can create another variable instead of reading PDF, but use pypdf2 like this case, and use also the function called PDF file reader to read the PDF file called intro or any PDF file you created in the same directory to read it simply. And for the PDF file reader function, there is an attribute called num pages. We are gonna use this attribute to display the number of pages for this PDF file, and we're gonna use the print statement or the print function to print out the result. Just call the print statement or the print function using its name, print, and in between its parentheses there is a single argument in this case, or a single parameter, which is reading PDF, the name of the variable that contains PDF file reader function process, and also the attribute num_pages refers to the PDF file reader function. This attribute is to display the number of pages for the PDF file called intro in this case, or any PDF file you use in your example. After that, we need to use the getPage function from this library called PyPDF2 to create a page object to get any page using its number, using its index number in between the parentheses of that function. Let me show you that in action. In this case, you can see we used reading PDF, the variable for PDF reader object that contains or that assigned to PyPDF2 PDF file reader function for the new PDF variable, and we used getPage function. This function we called it using its name and the dot notation in between the variable name reading PDF and the function name getPage. And the first page inside the PDF file called intro has the index 0 in that case. If you want to display the first page, put 0. The second page is 1, the third page is 2, and so on. Don't forget that. The first page has the index 0. So put 0 in between the parentheses of the getPage function to get that page, to get the first page. And we created this page object using a variable called PDF page, and we assign this process reading PDF.getPage for 0 to this variable simply. After that, you need to use the extract text function from the library called PyPDF2 to extract all the text from the page, from the first page that has the index 0. Let me show you that. The variable name that we assigned reading PDF.getPage to it, which is PDF page, followed by the dot notation, followed by the calling of the function extract text. We call this function using its name followed by an empty parenthesis, and this is as an argument for the print function to print out this text from inside the page that we put its index. The first page, PDF_page, the variable name, followed by the dot notation, followed by the extract text function to extract all the text from the page. That's it simply. The final step, you need to use the close function to close the PDF file object after all this process. This is the last statement in our program. We call the close function from the Python library to close the PDF file called intro in this case, or any PDF file you use, and the variable name you can see new PDF that we assigned the open function for intro PDF file to it. We used it to close the intro PDF file simply, and the empty parenthesis after the close function. That's it simply, and the dot notation in between the function called close and the variable name. After that, you can hit shift enter or shift return to show the output, or run this cell from hitting the run button from the top side. And once you run the program, you will see the output. You will see the number of pages first. In this case, our intro PDF file has only a single page followed by the text. We used the extract text function to get all the information from the page that has the index 0, and this PDF file only has a single page, and you can read any PDF file using the same method. First of all, you must install the library called PyPDF2 to work with the PDF files using the pip package, and after that you can import it. Then you can use the open function to open the PDF file reader, and make sure to put the PDF file in the same location, or you can put the location before the PDF file name, and after that you can use the PDF file reader function from the library called PyPDF2. Then you can print the number of pages, and you can get any page. And if you want to get any page from the PDF file, use the get page function and put the number for that page in between the parentheses of the get page function. But in this case, it starts counting from 0. The first page has the index 0, the second page has the index 1, and so on. After that, you can call the extract text function from the PyPDF2 library to extract all the text, or to extract all the information from inside the page that you want to read, and the print function to print out the output on the screen. And after that, you can close the file. It's best practicing to close the file using the close function. Call the close function with the variable name for the open function, like that, like this example simply. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.